Welcome to Future Phone Flash, your go-source for the latest advancements in phone technology. Today, we're diving into the exciting details about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. We'll explore the exclusive pre-order offers Samsung has lined up for you, along with a special opportunity to get your hands on a free pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. Exclusive pre-order offers. To kick things off, let's take a closer look at the exclusive pre-order offers available for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung's reserve system is giving customers an early glimpse into the potential savings they can expect. The anticipation is high as Samsung teases significant discounts. Free Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Next up, we're excited to announce Samsung's incredible offer of complimentary Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with every Galaxy Z Fold 6 pre-order. This offer is perfect for enthusiasts who value superior audio quality and seamless connectivity with their Samsung devices. Design changes. Samsung is shaking things up with the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, moving away from the traditional rectangular shape that has characterized its Ultra flagship models. According to reputable leakster Ice Universe, the new Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature more rounded edges and corners, providing a more ergonomic and modern look and feel. This design change is reminiscent of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, which introduced a flat front and back design with only the camera lenses protruding. This shift could enhance the phone's aesthetics and improve its handling comfort. Despite these changes, the beloved S Pen will continue to be a staple feature of the Ultra, maintaining its unique position in the market as a productivity powerhouse. Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 design. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set for a design overhaul, Samsung is retaining the classic boxy design for its Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 models. These foldable phones, which have garnered a dedicated following for their innovative form factors, will continue to offer the same distinctive aesthetic that fans have come to love. Expected to launch on July 10, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 will hold the legacy of their predecessors, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek, functional designs. This approach ensures that Samsung caters to both traditional smartphone users and those looking for something more avant-garde. Camera upgrades. Photography enthusiasts, brace yourselves for some exciting developments with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Recent leaks have unveiled remarkable camera specifications that promise to elevate your photo and video capturing experience. The base and Plus models of the Galaxy S25 series will feature a 50MP primary rear camera and a 12MP selfie camera, similar to the Galaxy S23 and S24 models. However, the Ultra variant will take things to a whole new level with a staggering 200MP primary camera. This incredible sensor is expected to deliver unparalleled image clarity and detail, making it ideal for both amateur and professional photographers. Additionally, the Ultra will boast 3 other 50MP cameras designed for ultra-wide shots, 3x optical zoom, and 5x optical zoom. These enhancements will provide users with a versatile and comprehensive photography toolkit, ensuring that every moment is captured in stunning detail. Performance and software. The Galaxy S25 series is set to deliver impressive performance, thanks to its powerful processors. Most markets will receive models powered by the Exynos 2500 chip, while the Chinese and American markets will get variants with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. However, due to reported production issues with the Exynos 2500, there is a possibility that all models could eventually adopt the Snapdragon chip. This decision would ensure a consistent and reliable performance across all regions. Running on the latest Android 15-based One UI 7.1, the Galaxy S25 series will offer a seamless and intuitive user experience. Moreover, Samsung has committed to providing 7 years of OS and security updates, guaranteeing that your device remains up to date and secure for years to come. We might also see the introduction of new Galaxy AI features, designed to enhance performance and offer personalized user experiences. Battery and other features. When it comes to battery life, the Galaxy S25 series is designed to keep up with your daily demands. The Galaxy S25 will be equipped with a 4,000 mAh battery, while the S25 Plus will feature a 4,900 mAh battery, and the S25 Ultra will boast a 5,000 mAh battery. These capacities are consistent with their predecessors, ensuring long-lasting performance regardless of which model you choose. In addition to robust battery life, the Galaxy S25 series will include other notable features such as fast charging capabilities, enhanced connectivity options, and advanced security measures to protect your data. These elements combine to offer a well-rounded and user-friendly smartphone experience. Pre-order gifts and offers. Samsung is known for its enticing pre-order gifts. This year, rumors hint at free premium earbuds with their flagship phones. While exciting, many hope this won't replace the usual free storage upgrades available in many markets. Galaxy Unpacked Event Preview. On July 10th, Samsung will officially unveil the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Alongside these foldable phones, anticipate new wireless earbuds, smartwatches, and even a fitness tracking smart ring. Samsung has already started generating buzz with massive digital billboards in major cities worldwide. Advanced Galaxy AI features. These new foldable phones will showcase advanced Galaxy AI features, expanding on innovations seen earlier this year with the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung is gearing up to introduce these enhancements just before the Paris 2024 Olympics, promising a lineup that includes the Galaxy Buds 3, Buds 3 Pro, Galaxy Watch 7, Watch Ultra, and more. Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 leaks. As we approach Galaxy Unpacked, the tech world is abuzz with revelations. The leaked images and specifications are nothing short of groundbreaking. Both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 are slated to feature robust armor aluminum frames and state-of-the-art Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Interestingly, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 steps away from a titanium frame, signaling a strategic design choice aimed at enhancing user experience. Outro. As we count down to Galaxy Unpacked, stay tuned for more updates on Samsung's latest innovations. We'll continue to bring you the most current insights and revelations right here on Future Phone Flash. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ensure you don't miss out on any of the latest tech news and updates. This expanded version provides more detail and context while maintaining a clear and engaging flow for your audience.